right now you can see I have withdrawn $10, $179, $75, $117, all the way up to withdrawing $500. And I'm going to show you how to withdraw from WHOP and how easy it is to do. No matter where you are, you can do this. Okay, so I'm just going to give away what to do in order to withdraw your money on WHOP when it comes to setting up Stripe and verifying your account and all. The first thing what you want to do is you want to go to the affiliate section. Now there are two types of withdrawal. Whenever you have WHOP community and people get into your community by paying that, and you should select your community right here. So let's just say if I scroll down, drop down, I have two communities, and you want to navigate to that community where you want to withdraw if you're getting users to pay for you. And then here, so let's just say I'm inside this community, right? So I can go to the payout section, and here I find a payout section, and here I can find all the amount. So let me just show you one of my other account once again. Yeah, if I go to this, right, so one of the user paid me $5, and you can see I can actually withdraw $5 from here, but the minimum withdrawal limit is a $10 on WHOP. Keep in mind, right? Now the second case, if you're a clipper, right, keep in mind, if you're a clipper, then the amount is not gonna accumulate right here, is accumulated somewhere else. Now what you want to do is go to this affiliate thing, and here you find something called customer and creator. You want to go to the creator, and here you will see the available payout in case if you're getting paid out from clipping community, and you want to click on this available to payout. It's going to take you to this separate section called balance overview, and here you're going to see actually you're going to see four options, which is payment sent to the bank, and available to pay out soon, total, and available to pay out to your bank. Now once you accumulate more than $10, what you want to do is click on withdraw to bank, and then you can actually withdraw the money. Now in case if you not see the affiliate section, you simply click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, you're gonna click on balance and navigate to the balance, and here you'll find all these things. Okay, now you can also see all my depositions right here. So yeah, so in case what to do if you can't unable to verify your account and all. So actually WHOP requires a Stripe verification, not actually a Stripe account, but in order to have a Stripe account nowadays, you can actually get it from Gmail account. They will ask you some business credentials, but yeah, obviously you will not be having as a freelancer. So in that case, what you can do is you can write an email to Stripe people that I only need to verify to WHOP. Just give me the access to account. I don't need to receive payments on Stripe. If you get rejected, then you can contact me, you can DM me, and I'm gonna give you a super solution, and yeah, we can chat. Okay, we can have a communication. So the link to my DM will be in the description. Make sure you check that out.